Temperatures tend to be high near the equator and low near the north and south poles. In other words, low latitude regions are warm, while high latitude regions are cold. Why does this happen? To put it simply, it is because the Earth is a sphere. Since the Earth is round, the angle at which sunlight hits the ground varies depending on the region. Near the equator, the sun hits the ground at a high angle. It feels as if the sunlight is pouring down from directly overhead. On the other hand, the closer you get to the poles, meaning the higher the latitude, the lower the angle of the sunlight becomes. It is like the sun shining from the side, similar to a sunrise or a sunset. As a result, the amount of heat received per unit area varies by latitude. Near the equator, the amount of heat the ground receives is large, and it becomes smaller as you move further away from the equator. This is why temperatures are high near the equator and low near the poles. In this diagram, the arrows representing sunlight are all drawn at equal intervals. If you look at the area near the equator, you can see that about 3 or 4 arrows reach the ground. However, in high latitude regions, only 2 arrows reach the same amount of space. This means the amount of solar radiation per unit area differs. The amount of heat received per unit area is large near the equator and small as you move away from it. This diagram also shows that there are regional differences in how sunlight is received. The fact that the Earth is a sphere might seem so obvious that we don't usually think about it, but it is very important when studying geography. Many geographical phenomena occur specifically because the Earth is a sphere. When you study geography, please keep in mind that the Earth is round.